Good morning, guys. Super excited. I got all these ingredients. I'm gonna make a really yummy iced coffee, and we're gonna try out this whipped cream, salted caramel syrup, the almond creamer. Everyone raves about it. I don't know if it's all that, but this with the Starbucks cinnamon dolce creamer was so good. I had it at work, but they were out of it at the grocery store, so we're gonna make my own little coffee drink. Let's hope it tastes good. I have this cup, guys, and it was for Christmas, but I never used it again around that holiday time, so I don't want to go get my other Starbucks cup. I'm just gonna use this one, and let's make our drink. Good morning, guys. Sorry if the vlogging was really awkward. My brother was doing his online school, so I'm like, can you pause your book real quick so I could film a quick little clip? Then after that, he just has to do his school, so I just did kind of a little time-lapse overview of my little iced coffee. And the cup's kind of cute, guys. I'm happy I saved this one, but I have these cool Starbucks tumblers, but I just don't want to go in my room to get them. But anyways, I made this yummy drink. So good. Cannot wait to eat breakfast, guys. And no shade to Starbucks, but for some reason when I buy their like iced coffee and I made it in the past, it hasn't tasted good. Maybe I need to use like the Starbucks syrup or whatever, but that Stokes coffee tastes so good. I gave Starbucks tries in the past, guys, but it just wasn't it. And it's funny because this cup's got snowflakes and snow, and like you guys can tell today it's gonna snow. So yeah, I'm gonna go back inside and enjoy my coffee and make some breakfast. Alright, guys, I had my coffee and my breakfast, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and get my morning ritual started. On my days off, it's nice because I have more time to do this, so I got my candles lit. Little manifestation one from the witch's moon, and just a good old classic candle to burn. With my incense going, I'm just gonna go ahead and smudge, do my daily prayers, and do a little bit of magic, and enjoy this beautiful view. Use the messy bed. I'm gonna make it after I'm done praying, guys. But look how cute Maleficent is. She's just chilling. Hi, Maleficent. All cute and sleepy. Are you all sleepy? Yeah? You tired? You're so pretty. Hi. So some basic things I don't get to do on a daily, guys. I went ahead and smudged my crystal grid, and I went ahead and washed all my beautiful crystals. And besides that, I'm gonna go ahead and smudge right now, guys. I haven't got to really smudge myself in a while besides using my quick, fast, like sacred holy water. So I do this, guys. It's my holy water I make and sell on my Etsy, which is great. It's a quick refresh. I included some of my extract oil in there with like lavender and different herbs for self-cleansing with all the layers of magic. So it's just a good quick cleanse, but with the smoke, it's just good to do sometimes too, guys, because we just need that good old cleanse. Yeah, I like to not only just cleanse myself and everything, guys, I also love cleansing my items I wear all the time too. Just giving my crystal grid an extra good old smudge, guys. Everyday jewelry. Even my work bag too, because any stagnant energies, anyone sending me evil eyes, just things you use all the time, guys, is always great to smudge. Even my laundry too, guys. I'm gonna do my laundry today, but giving my clothes a good old smudge. Honestly, everything. Black absorbs all those lower vibrations sent your way. And just throughout my room with my bookshelves and stuff, guys, just giving everything a nice good old little smudge. Now, guys, I'm just gonna give myself also a nice good old little smudge, my everyday jewelry. And then I like smudging behind me, all around me. I'm using Pablo Santo, if you guys are wondering. So 7 charcoals clear and bright, cleanse the soul and feed the light. I call to thee, per witch's fire, the vortex flow, the heavenly mire, cleanse brackish aura of debris, from dark to light, sweep history, and so it is. And I'm also gonna burn a little bit of sage, give my room a good little smudge, guys, and I'm gonna do a couple sutras and a little bit of magic. I'm gonna connect with Goddess Nyx for a little bit, guys, and just enjoy this beautiful day, and then I have some other plans of what I want to do, guys. I want to show you my TV stand more in depth. It's not nearly how I want it to look, but just me throwing stuff up and giving it zero effort, it already looks cool, so I want to show you guys that. And then I also want to give you guys one more look at my TV stand. It looked so nice and I loved it. And then my siblings moved my crystals because the power button's right there. So when you use the remote to turn the TV on and off, it got in the way. But kind of looked like this over here, guys, and I mirrored it over there. It just looks so nice. I love it, but I really was grateful for my TV and everything, guys, but I had it since high school and with COVID and everything, and I work hard and I save money after that, and with us having to be indoors more and stuff, like, I'm grateful to have that TV, but it's time to level up. So I leveled up, and I'm so grateful, guys. Me and my family have just been enjoying that TV, and it's been amazing. Maleficent's even cute and watches the TV sometimes, too. And it was just very well needed, much needed, guys. And now my brother and sister can play Minecraft and have fun. And it's just nice to have a big old TV. I've been watching so many animes with my sister and stuff. We got the banana fish phone case. That's such a sad anime, though. But anyways, yeah, guys, I'm gonna get on with doing my spiritual practice, doing all the good vibes. I want my mind, body, spirit, just all of me slash my home, room, and space to be nice, well, and aligned. So I'm gonna go ahead and have fun with my magics. Maleficent is always so cute, guys. Whenever I do my sutra, I'm using my prayer wheel right now and I do my prayers. She always wants to sit on my lap, and she's so cute because she's progressing. She's getting the good merits of the sutras I'm reciting right now. Avalokhi Dishvara Bodhisattva, and practicing the profound Prajnaparamita, perceived that the five skandhas are empty, and thereby became free from all suffering. Also, Putra, formless and other than emptiness, emptiness and other than form. The same is true with perception, conception, volition, and consciousness. Also, Putra, all dharmas are characterized by dependence upon causation. They're neither created nor they perish, neither default nor maculated, neither increasing nor decreasing. Therefore, in emptiness, there's no form, no perception, no conception, no volition, no consciousness, no eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, or mind. No form, sound, smell, taste, touch, or object of mind, up to normal consciousness, no ignorance, no its extinction, up to no age and death, nor their extinction. There's no suffering, no cause suffering, no extinction, no path, no wisdom, and also no attainment, because there's no object to be obtained. The Bodhisattva, through practicing Prajnaparamita, have no obstacles in the mind. Having no obstacles in the mind, they overcome fear, ultimately realizing nirvana. All Buddhas of the past, present, and future, relying on Prajnaparamita, attain anushya sambhuti. Therefore, one should know that Prajnaparamita is the great, bright, unsurpassed, and equal mantra, the sure of the truth. A mantra Prajnaparamita should therefore be proclaimed. This is the mantra, gate, gate, pragate, prasagate, bodhishvaha. Since I've already done my 7 Heart Sutras, Guanyin, to purify my karma, may this sutra I recite, this heart sutra, go forth to purify any of Maleficent's karmas. May she progress, ascend, and so it is. Blessed be. Thank you, Guanyin Pusa. Blessed be. So Maleficent got good merits for a heart sutra. She's so cute. She's smart, guys. Sometimes she just doesn't want to hang out with me, but Maleficent knows. When I do my sutra, she's like, I'm hopping on your lap. I'm getting those good merits. You're just so cute, aren't you, Maleficent? You know what's up. You want the good karmas, don't you? She's so cute. So I use my little tumblestones, guys, as little counting beads for when I do my prayers, and did a bunch of smudging, and I'm just so in love with this view. It's so pretty. I can't believe it's gonna snow, but I didn't really tell you guys too much about this other than I got a new TV. What I am gonna do to this, I think, is make it a makeup vanity, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna love it because I don't want to show you the mess down below, but it's kind of messy because that's my little area I've been storing like boxes, bubble wrap, all the like packaging, big equipment from my Etsy shop. So I was thinking of doing that, guys, or besides doing a makeup vanity, I'd rather just do my makeup in the bathroom. I was thinking, since I have so many books here, why not make this a bookshelf as well? So I'm debating on doing this as a bookshelf or a makeup vanity, so we're gonna figure that out today. Alright, bye TV stand, we're gonna turn into a vanity again and see how you look. So hi guys, this is kind of how the little vanity's looking. I don't know if I'm in love with it. I'm just gonna keep it like this for now to have a little magical aesthetic. The mirror was more bought for decor for Halloween time, and I can have it out all year round if I want, guys, but for an actual vanity, I think I want a bigger mirror for sure. So we're gonna work on that and figure out the lighting too, because I've just got my YouTube ring light right there. But yeah, definitely worked out. And I won't let you look too close, but I butchered this eyebrow and kind of cut too much off with the plucking, so I don't know about that. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna give you a little look of my TV. Alright guys, this is how the TV stand looks at the moment. I got a little whimsical House of Night vibe going there with my drawers. At the bottom, I don't have my custom-made drawers yet, so I'm gonna wait on those. But for now, got all my nail stuff in here. I got movies in here and all the gaming stuff in there, guys. I'm just so in love with my new TV, and the top part is just kind of thrown together, guys, but for some reason, doesn't it just look good? I got a new tote for work, so I have that tote with the book art my mom made, symbol, a little bit of flowers. I just feel like it's a vibe for some reason. Like, it's alright, guys. I just threw it together, so I just kind of wanted to show you the new TV stand and how everything looks, how it was my closet to now a TV stand. I'm surprised with how good everything looks, guys. I'm so happy. And with this, guys, I think it just looks cute, but I don't know if I fully love it. I think it's more cute as like decor rather than being a usable vanity. And if you're wondering what all these white specks are, it's so sad. My dad repaired this. It's new wood. It was black stained, and I had a pumpkin on there. The pumpkin was sucking up the color of the shelf, so that is all damaged from a literal real pumpkin, guys. So I need to put new black stain on it one of these days. But yeah, that's how this looks, and that's how my TV stand looks. I'm super excited, guys. So that was a little look into my day today of me recreating my vanity over there, showing you my TV stand, and we'll see what else this week has in store. I cannot wait to eat this, guys. This is some matcha boba from 99 Ranch Market. It's so good, instant boba, and I got the stuff to make spring rolls, and my mom made this. I cannot wait to eat it. It looks so good. Oh god.
Trying to get you extra views.
Extra views. Okay, guys, mukbang time. Let's see how this tastes. Well, I want the part with the meat. I should have done the other side. Let's see. I don't know how I feel about it. Everyone on YouTube's making it look how good, and I'm Asian. I don't know. I'm gonna eat the meat part. Okay. Let's go. Oh, boba. Look at this looks, guys. It's vegetarian Beyond Meat burger, and my mom made it look so real. And all the yummy stuff. This part's actually good when you get the fake meat in it. This is how they look all nice and yummy, guys. I can't wait to eat more of them. Don't they look yummy? And look at the weather. It's all foggy like twilight right now. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another enchanted day of my life. So I got some yummy food for work. Today's a work day. I wanted to show this is gonna be my lunch for work. My mom made me some yummy food. I just love how this looks, and it tastes so Chinese with the broccoli and all that. It tastes so good. My dad got me this drink. I can't wait to try for you guys right now. I hope it's good. It's a little caramel latte, and I just love those caramel coffee drinks. And then I got me a new knife. And then this bag, I haven't really showed too much, guys, but I want to take like a nice photo of it somewhere or something, so that's on my to-do list too. So I got this new necklace, guys. I actually ordered this as a pendant to add to some jewelry I'm going to have available on my Etsy store, but it's a little bit flawed, so I want to have things look perfect for you guys. I don't want to settle for anything less, especially if I'm having my name attached to it, but got a new little triquetra necklace, and let's see how this coffee drink tastes. I hope it's good, because I need my caffeine boost in the morning. Hope this is good. Okay, this isn't strong. Starbucks is definitely better, but just for a little something, a little caffeine boost, it's not bad. My dad got this at the Asian market. Okay, it's a little something. And yeah, guys, I hope you have a great morning. That's what it currently looks like right now outside, guys. It may look so pretty and everything, but it's actually really cold. It snowed yesterday morning, and I didn't vlog anything because I was trying to get to work, but it's been so cold. Definitely need all these logs. Keep those fires going. But yeah, guys, anyways, it's been so like spring, guys, even though it's supposed to be spring. I hope with April coming, it'll be more warm and stuff, but it's been cold. I'm like, just give me some rain, God, and some warmth, and I'm fine. But this winter coat I invested in, guys, has really been lasting me all this time. Good morning, guys. I have a day off today, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna make some yummy matcha milk tea boba. I'm so happy to make this, and I'm also really excited, guys, because I've been getting a couple orders on my Etsy store, and I got some good reviews, so I'm so happy I'm building that, growing that. I cannot wait to see where Mystic Priestess takes us, and I'm so happy you guys are appreciating my magic, wisdom, and knowledge, and that it's actually helping you guys out. So let's get this day started. Oh yeah, guys, we got the boba, and I'm making some jewelry for my shop. Yum. So this is the morning after the first day of the supermoon, guys. Beautiful things coming to my Etsy shop got charged. My magical dream pillows, the potions, the sacred water, and of course my beautiful jewelry from the witch's moon, and all these awesome bracelets I made for myself and bought that I'm not gonna make for you guys too. So we're all gonna be having awesome spiritual energy. And I got this beautiful bracelet from the witch's moon, the amethyst one.